In recent years, dead blow hammers have seen growing demand, not just among professional mechanics and metalworkers, but also woodworking hobbyists and DIYers. Their ability to deliver controlled force without damaging surfaces makes them indispensable. This guide evaluates key attributes like build quality, rebound control, grip ergonomics, weight balance.
List number 1. Nico 02888A Dead Blow Hammer Set. The Nico 02888A is a 3-piece dead blow hammer set that covers a wide range of tasks, offering 1 pound, 2 pound, and 3 pound hammers. Each hammer has a head filled with steel shot, which helps deliver powerful strikes while minimizing rebound, making them ideal for automotive bodywork, sheet metal, or general repair jobs. The bodies are made from a unibody molded polyurethane, which encapsulates both head and handle. This construction enhances durability and ensures there's no weak seam between the handle and head, a common failure point in cheaper tools. The material also resists sparking on impact, which is especially useful when working around flammable surfaces or sensitive components. Ergonomically, the handles feature a diamond-textured non-slip grip, improving control even under repeated impacts or in greasy environments.
List number 2. Nico 02847A 2-pound dead blow hammer. The Nico 02847A is a single 2-pound dead blow hammer built for power and control. With a steel shot-filled head, this hammer delivers solid impact without the rebound you'd expect from a traditional steel hammer. Its unibody poly-molded construction encases both head and handle, significantly reducing the risk of head-handle separation and improving lifespan. The poly shell also prevents sparking, making it safer in flammable environments or when striking metals. The grip is textured with a diamond checkered pattern to prevent slippage, even when hands are sweaty or oily. With an overall length of about 13 3/8 inches, the hammer feels well balanced, long enough for leverage, but not so long that it becomes unwieldy. In practical use, reviewers report that the hammer produces a controlled thud rather than a bounce, which translates into fewer strikes needed and more accurate work. The non-marring polyurethane surface adheres well to delicate parts such as car panels or woodworking joints, reducing the risk of dents or scratches.
List number 3. Yai Tools Dead Blow Hammer Set. The Yai Tools Dead Blow Hammer Set is a 3-piece kit that typically includes 16-ounce 1 pound, 27-ounce 1.5 pound, and 45-ounce 3 pound versions, though configurations may vary. This set is designed with a shock-proof construction. The head is filled with steel balls which absorb energy on impact and minimize rebound for efficient, clean strikes. The hammers are made of molded plastic, polyurethane, or similar, and provide a unibody design. The head and handle are cast together, increasing structural integrity and reducing wear. Their handles sport a checkered grip that helps maintain control even during repetitive use. The bright red and black color scheme also makes them easy to distinguish in a busy tool chest. In terms of versatility, this set covers a wide weight range, ideal for tasks ranging from delicate woodworking or finishing to more forceful mechanical alignment. The larger 45-ounce hammer is especially effective when you need to deliver serious impact without damaging the workpiece. That said, some buyers have reported durability concerns. According to user feedback, there have been instances where the plastic cracked after repeated use or where the internal steel shot was not properly contained. Despite this, many still consider the set a reasonable value for the price, especially for lighter duty or occasional use.
List number 4. The Nico 02849 is a heavyweight dead blow hammer designed for serious force applications. Its 4-pound head is packed with steel shot, which transfers energy efficiently and reduces rebound dramatically, so you can deliver strong, controlled blows without bouncing back. Its body is unibody molded from poly, which wraps seamlessly around the head and handle. This design enhances durability, prevents head-handle separation, and resists sparking upon impact, a big safety plus. The outer shell is also bright neon orange, improving visibility in any tool arsenal. For grip, the hammer features a diamond-textured, non-slip handle that feels secure even when used with greasy or sweaty hands. Measures-wise, the head is approximately 2 3/8 inches by 5 1/8 inches, and the overall length is about 14.5 inches, giving you enough leverage without compromising control. The performance of this hammer is particularly impressive for dense materials or stubborn workpieces. The heavy head drives forceful strikes, while the internal shot ensures energy is not wasted through bounce. This makes it especially useful for tasks like aligning heavy metal parts, driving pins, or reshaping thicker material. One trade-off: the weight may be fatiguing for prolonged tasks or for users not accustomed to swinging a 4-pound tool. Also, being entirely poly, the outer surface may pick up scuffs or wear over time, especially if used on rough surfaces. But for power users, mechanics, fabricators, or anyone who demands peak impact control, this model delivers top-tier performance at a very accessible price point.
List number 5. Estwing 45-ounce no-mar dead blow hammer with no-mar poly face. The Estwing 45-ounce no-mar dead blow hammer is a premium American-made tool crafted for professional and abusive applications. It combines Estwing's reputation for rugged construction with the benefits of dead blow technology. The head contains vibration-dampening shot to absorb impact and minimize rebound, giving you clean, powerful strikes. Unlike molded poly hammers, this Estwing model uses a solid alloy steel head encased in a no-mar polyurethane face, which protects surfaces from marring while delivering strong force. The handle is forged in one piece with the head, giving it exceptional strength and durability. There are no joints to loosen over time. Estwing's patented nylon vinyl shock reduction grip is permanently bonded to the handle. This grip significantly reduces vibration transfer, according to Estwing's own materials, by as much as 70%. That makes it more comfortable during repetitive heavy strikes or when working for long periods. This hammer is especially well suited for tasks such as upholstery, sheet metal forming, auto body work, flooring installation, and more. The combination of dead blow performance and a no-mar face means you can swing hard without worrying about damaging the workpiece. Because of its forged steel construction, it's heavier and more expensive than many molded poly dead blow hammers. But for users who value longevity, strength, and precision, this Estwing is a standout. It's an investment, but one built to last for years, even in demanding shop environments.